Hey everybody, Dave here. This is a single video in my 15-part series for Let's Build in Blue Prism using Notepad++. I'm assuming that if this isn't part one, then you have seen the video prior to this. Let's get started. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and probably try to test this from the process level. So let's make sure we have all of our actions published that we need to use, and then we'll go ahead and do that. I can see we've already got a couple of things missing. Probably should go ahead and be able to launch Notepad++ from the process, and we don't have an action for that yet. We also haven't published these actions. So let's publish the get window list action. Let's also publish the navigate from window list action, and I want to reorder the pages a little so we can navigate to and from the window list. We can get the window list, we can close windows, and that should be all we need to accomplish that piece of it, which is tied to these part of the requirements. Right here, the only two tabs should be open, so it should close anything else. And then the rest of these are probably going to be, I guess we'll find out if those will be more or less complicated than what we've done so far. We need a launch action. New launch. Let's manage pages. Okay. In this launch page, we'll have a navigate stage that launches Notepad++, and we need the path to there, so let's make a data item exe file path, and then text. So there's our path to the folder, and then we have notepad++.exe. Click OK, and then we're going to use that as our input parameter or our input argument for path. Drag this in. Let's call this launch. So in this case, I'm not going to do anything to check whether or not Notepad++ is already open, because I'm assuming the process will take care of that itself. The process can choose to kill that if it needs to. So we'll say launch, and then the only thing we need to do is verify that the main menu window button exists. That'll work. There we go. All right, published multiple actions and added launch. There we go. Now we can close this, and we'll go create our. Did we create a process already? No. So we have a folder, Notepad++ configuration, create process. This will be, just say Notepad++ configuration, set various configuration settings in Notepad++. Open our process. Now I'm just going to call each action that we created in a row. Our object is called Notepad++ settings. We didn't publish launch. Let's go open the Notepad++ settings object, publish the launch page and the attach page. Published, launch, and attach. Save. Now we'll go back into our object and reset. So now we can launch Notepad++. After we launch Notepad++, we'll navigate to window list. Navigate to window list. Then we can navigate from window list, not immediately, actually. Move this down. And then in the middle, we're going to get the window list, our output. Then we'll, wait, we need to get window list. Then we need to close windows, and we're going to pass the same collection back in. In this case, what would happen is that we need to close these windows. So let's name it properly. What would happen is it would launch Notepad, navigate to the window list, get that window list, then it would close all the windows because of how we have this set up, and then it would navigate away. So let's test that before we decide to loop into this collection and remove these two window titles from it. Ready for this? Let's close. Launch. Navigate. Get window list. Close windows. And navigate from the window list. Right, now we might want to close Notepad++. We might want to close Notepad++. Of course, we didn't make an action for that because I forgot to. So let's add one. Close Notepad++. No, that's not what I want. I want a navigate stage that just terminates. Terminate, publish, created and published, close Notepad++. Then back in our process, we can reset and refer to close Notepad++. It's not going to have all those open, so this one, this one. Okay, so we got a few of them open. And let's close. Full speed. Ready to test again with close. There we go. All right, thanks for watching this part of this 15-part series in Let's Build in Blue Prism, where we work with Notepad++. I'll see you next time.